Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to add a new user on the Nothing Phone 2a. So in order to do that, let's go to our settings, scroll down. Now I'll find your system tab. Here it is. And here, simply add multiple users and tap on the switch near this option, right? So now we've got our menu, so you can add up a user and a guest. The difference between them, the only one, so if you choose a guest, they will have access to the phone without saving call history, right? So it's not much a difference. So let's set up a new user profile. Tap here in this pop-up window, tap next. So now you can choose a user photo. You can take it straight up from the camera or choose it from your gallery. I'll just take a picture. Okay. This little one gonna be our new user. Crop it, adjust it to your taste or to the new user's taste, right? Press save copy. Now let's give our new user name. So that'll be just simply something like this. Press done. Now we've got our new user account activated. So you can turn on mutual calls and SMS, right? You can switch it and now it will be a new user, right? But I'll just press not now. Let's go back. So to switch to your new user, simply press to switch to your new user, press setup now. Your phone is switching, give it a few seconds, right? Press continue. Now your phone will set up one more time. This will take a few minutes. Do not worry about that. Okay, so we've switched to our new user and that's it. So if you wanna to go back to your previous user, go back to the system. Your system use multiple users. Go back to your normal, press switch to normal, give your phones about a few seconds, right? Let's activate it. In order to delete your new user, simply press on the new user's icon, press delete user, press delete, and now your new user is deleted. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.